Sometimes you've got to walk home at night. Sometimes you just got to stand and fight for your right to be a human being. It's not about receiving any gifts or any I don't even know what to say, because it's only about doing things right. It's not sometimes when you should try and do things right. It should be all the times when you do things right, day or night. You should be trying to do and say things all the times that you might have enough balls to say in front of your boss, your dad, or your God, or maybe even your king. You know what I mean? In football, we sing banter, and that's all right. Give a load of abuse, but you got to be used to know when's the right time to write a line and read a rhyme. And you know, it's always the right time to do something right, even when you're walking home at night.